Spilling coffee on your floor and realizing cleaning every surface, from floors to stairs to sofas, is overwhelming. Meet the world's first 2-in-1 HydroJet floor washing robot vacuum with a detachable portable deep cleaner. Today, we're putting the eufy E28 to the ultimate test, combining fully automated floor washing and handheld deep cleaning in one sleek, space-saving station. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing. Here's what you'll find when you unbox the eufy E28. All-in-one station docking base. eufy E28 robot vacuum detachable base for the portable cleaner. Flexi 1 portable deep cleaner unit. Quick start guide, safety sheet. Key features: portable deep cleaner. This detachable tool effectively targets upholstery stains on sofas, carpets, with a one-touch self-cleaning function that eliminates odor-causing buildup. HydroJet floor washing system. The HydroJet system scrubs at 360 RPM with 1.5 kilograms of pressure, continuously cleans its mop pad, and removes dirty water in real time, ensuring every pass leaves your floor hygienically deep cleaned. 20,000 PA turbo suction. With 20,000 PA of suction, the E28 penetrates deep into carpets, automatically increasing power on thick piles to lift out hair, dust, and debris that are often unseen. Duo spiral anti-tangle brushes. The world's first retractable duo spiral brushes ensure zero hair tangles, eliminating the need for manual detangling. Secondary features: corner rover arm. Extended side brushes sweep edges and corners, providing no blind spot cleaning. AIC. Obstacle avoidance. Smart sensors detect over 200 objects and automatically activate LEDs in low light, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning. All-in-one station. Zero-touch maintenance. A single dock manages dust emptying, mop cleaning, drying, detergent and water refill, and wastewater collection. Eco-friendly packaging. eufy's commitment to sustainability is evident in the use of 95% recyclable materials. App overview. eufy Home app. And you're ready. With the app, you can start or stop cleaning remotely. By using the app, you can see a live map of cleaning and adjust suction and water flow. Choose from auto, spot, or mop-only modes, and schedule routines. In seconds, the app puts full control of your E28 right in your pocket. Conclusion. All in all, eufy E28 combines powerful 20,000 PA suction, HydroJet mopping, and a detachable deep cleaner into one intuitive system, making every corner of your home effortlessly spotless. If you're looking for a true hands-free cleaning upgrade, the E28 is the smart solution So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Get $200 off during the Prime Day, July 8th to 11th. Click the link below to get this exclusive deal. Or if you're on a budget, get the E25 for the same cleaning power, just without PDC. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.